All right, so I'm going to start back with our document that we called My First Part, and we're going to add on to this again. So down here at the bottom, let's click the plus sign. Let's create a new part studio here. That way we have a fresh space to start. Okay, once again, I'm going to click the front plane here, so we're looking straight at it. Come up here, click Sketch. Oops. And we're going to click the front plane. Okay, again, make sure that says front plane right there. That way we know that we're in the right spot. And let's go ahead and we're going to add a little circle to this. Okay, we're going to start off with a circle. So I'm going to come up here to the circle tool. Let's click that. And what I want to do is I want to line the circle up right above the origin here. So I want it to be right on this line. So just somewhere up here, we'll say, yeah, right about here. I'm going to click once to set the center of the circle. We're going to draw it out a little bit. And we're going to click again to size the circle. So I've just got a circle on there. Just kind of sit in the middle. Okay, what we're going to do next is let's go ahead and we're going to grab the line tool. So I'm going to click this line tool right here. And we're going to draw a line that goes from the origin right here all the way to the top of the circle. So I'm going to click down here at the origin. And we're going to go straight up. And I want to make sure it connects to the top of the circle here. So I'm going to click again. And you'll notice it still wants to draw lines. So I'm going to click the escape button. So we exit the drawing there. Okay, so we should have something like that. So basically this line starts down here. It's going to slice our circle right in half there. Okay. Now let's go ahead and we're going to grab the line tool again. Now we're going to add a little bit of crazy stuff on here on this right side. So I'm going to start here at the origin. And I'm going to draw it out, and we'll stay it about here. Yours doesn't have to be perfect. We'll go up a little bit, take it back in. We can go up, maybe we'll go out a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of draw a shape in here. And we're going to end this by connecting it up to the circle. Okay, and again, I'm going to click Escape to exit that drawing tool. So I've got something like that. Yours doesn't have to be perfect. Might look different. Might look the same. Okay, so now we want to actually get rid of some of these little extra lines. So basically, we only want our drawing to be on this right side. So I only want like half of this. So I'm going to click this Trim tool. And we're going to just trim away these pieces. So I'm going to trim away this piece of the circle. And I'm going to trim away this little piece of the circle right here. Okay, so that's what you should be left with. And let's go ahead and just click this check mark. Okay, so now we have something that looks like that. And once again, let's we're going to try using the Revolve tool. So I'm going to click that right over here. And we're going to choose our shape. So for this first box, I'm going to click inside of our shape. Then I need to tell it, what do I want to spin this around? So I'm going to click this Revolve axis box. And I'm going to click this line right here on the left. Okay, and I'm going to click the green check mark. So now what we've made is kind of looks like a little game piece or something. Okay, so like this is something you could then 3D print and you'd have like a little game board piece.